What's going on, guys? CryptoHoy here with another quick update on Wall Street memes. So as for my previous video, I mentioned of this tension point right here that was building up. The ceiling was decreasing, was coming down, and then the support level was slowly increasing up. So eventually it was going to hit somewhere at a tension point, and basically from there, there's really two options. Either it explodes up or it just dumps down from there. And my theory was that it was going to happen either of the two, but most likely more similar to this right here of the sell-off, and then kind of create a new support levels and consolidation, but at a lower price. Now here, surprisingly, it actually went up here. So it started really, a lot of buyers started to join in, which of course creates FOMO, and a lot of people wants to jump into the train. But anything that goes up, guys, has to come down, and then we're going to see a massive correction. We're starting to see one right now, actually, as I'm making of this video, but where anything can change as well. So, and also quick reminder, none of this is financial advice. It's always a good idea to do your due diligence and only buy what you can afford to lose. All right. So right now, it's always a good idea to also take profits along the way. That's something that I like to do, although you're not going to be making like a lot at the end, but it's better than losing money, because there's a lot of people that get into crypto, into pre-sales, and they get their emotions that gets the best out of them, and once they see something like this, they don't take profits along the way, and when next thing you know, when it starts going all the way down, they start feeling a little bit of regret, because they're like, man, I should have taken some money over here. Now I'm back down where I was before. I didn't take any profit. So it's something to think about, and everybody has a different trading strategy, so you got to see what works for you. But anyways, let's move on over here to take a quick look at their website, and we see here that pretty much their total stake hasn't really changed much. I believe yesterday was at 473 million. Now it's at 472 million. The percentage for the rewards, estimated rewards, is still the same, as still at 42. When we look here also at the number of holders, it hasn't really changed much. I believe on my previous video it was at it was at 37,000 and maybe like 100 or 37,076, or just a little bit over 37,000. Now it's at 37,452. So it has increased just a little bit, not too much. But what this pretty much tells me that since the total number of staked is roughly around the same, the number of holders is roughly pretty much around the same, hasn't really changed that much. This pretty much shows that most people who are already holding, they're basically buying the token again, right? So it's not, I don't think this is because of the new holders, unless they're whales, of course, then definitely this can happen. But most likely it is because the people who are already holding this token, they're just basically buying more. And interestingly enough, there's this Twitter that came out 3 hours ago, which says Wall Street short squeeze, and instead of having GameStop, they crossed it out and they put a Wall Street memes. So they're trying to do, I guess, to make things interesting, trying to do something similar what happened in 2021. If you guys remember the GameStop stock, the short squeeze. So as the price was going down, then the short position, they will be making money, right? Because they were betting against GameStop pretty much. And so what they did was that they were buying to increase the value, to squeeze them out, basically forcing them, the short positions, to buy. And that way they're going to be losing money, right? And it was just crazy. This happened with Reddit, on Reddit, actually, that's where it initiated. Wall Street Bets, I believe. But anyways, very, very interesting. And I guess they're trying to do something similar, because if we read right here, it says, in the true spirit of Wall Street memes, we call on our community to join us in an epic short squeeze challenge on October 11th on 18 hours UTC. It says leverage markets are available on the following exchanges: OKX and MEXC, LBank, CoinW. We will be buying at 18 hours UTC and invite you all to join us in liquidating these short positions. As always, do your own research. This is not financial advice. And here's their Telegram. So yeah, I just find this to be very interesting. Now, I don't think this is the cost, because this came out like 3 hours ago. So if we just kind of go back a little bit, it says that it was posted 3 hours ago, but this started since last night. Okay, so pretty much since last night, it started to slowly already increase until today midnight. That's when this actually, yeah, since yesterday midnight, pretty much the first hour of the day of today on October 11th, as we can see right here, that's when this started to really pump up over here. So I don't think this had to do like a big influence, but now with, I guess, holders watching this, they might get, I guess, influence or incentivized, I guess, to join into this type of challenge. But anyways, share your thoughts. What do you guys think about all of this? Or do you guys plan on joining the short squeeze or not? I guess trying to do something similar with the GameStop, but not with the Wall Street memes. But yeah, share your thoughts. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that there's going to be a massive correction happening later on? Or do you believe that this right here is going to keep pumping up and perhaps create a new all-time high? Because it did reach all the way to like 5 cents for a short period of time, but right now it's starting to go down. People are starting to sell, take some profits. There's nothing wrong with that. But do you believe that it's going to keep pumping up and perhaps even cross these higher previous prices at 6.5 cents or something? Yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And before I end this video, just a quick reminder, the massive $1 million of buybacks is going to be completed in just roughly 5 hours and 45 minutes as of the making of this video. So probably like in 5 hours from the time the video is actually posted on YouTube. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that quick reminder. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.